Did some cleaning during the week. Hi, good morning. Cooked. Cooked and ate. Noodles, it was yummy, so yummy. I fried some meat and used it to prepare stew. The stew was so delicious, but me, I would like to eat some fried meat first before continuing with the cooking. If you know you're like me, let me know in the comments. Yeah, you know how you cook and then you eat part of it before you're done. If you're like me, let me know. And then made the stew. The stew was so yummy. The aroma in my kitchen was It was so yummy. And then after some time, the rice was ready. That rice was so delicious. Did some cleaning, cleaned all the windows in the house. What kind of drink is it? Soft? What kind of sugar is that? That's not healthy. I know it's a joke. It's a joke story. That is a fun story. Hi, hope you're having a lovely weekend. I wish you all the best and all the good things you wish yourself. Yeah, to have a great and awesome day. I want to take in the two sides, so taking in the two sides of the height. That's the only thing I'm doing with this one. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with the jacket. Yeah, hi. So I'm just gonna alter the suit. I do alterations for both men and women. Yeah. Honey, what do you think about gratitude? Is it only when you have everything, life is cool, before you get ready?
No, I see gratitude as an appreciation. You don't need to have everything, yet you're very grateful. The source of that blessing, there are so many blessings that can come from that blessing, from that source.
When you are grateful.
Yeah, when you are grateful. So it's a responsibility, something that you have to appreciate.
So our maker.
To our maker, the giver of life, the protector, the sustainer. There's so many things that comes from him and to appreciate.
Yeah, just as I said, it's very important for us to appreciate our maker because there are little things we feel like it's little, but they're very important to life. Very important. You don't buy them. You don't buy life. You don't buy the oxygen you that's the air you breathe. You don't buy them. A lot of things God gives us for free, so we should appreciate Him. We should praise Him. So today is Sunday. Do what to go to church. Appreciate God for His kindness, for the life you have, because it takes some people to get to the hospital to realize that when you are sound, when you are okay, that is something great to appreciate God for. It takes that to sound. But for me, I've realized that everything, every little thing that God gives is worth celebrating, is worth to appreciate Him for, because these things we don't buy them. Imagine if someone, there was something I was saying about someone who takes medication. The person use medication to feed, the person cannot eat. So imagine you and I, we eat chicken, we can eat chicken, we can eat pap, we can eat rice because we are healthy. But someone is out there who can only feed on medication. That is the only way they do because they cannot swallow food. There's nothing to digest those food in the body. So these are a great reason. These are enough reasons to be grateful to God. Yeah, so ensure you go to church and appreciate God. We wish you and your family all the best. Have an awesome and wonderful Sunday. Yeah, bye. Bye, Gigi. Happy Sunday. Our vlogs, they're interesting vlogs. Do you want to check them out? And have an awesome day. Bye bye.